Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Waze and enabling Bluetooth on your phone. This ensures compatibility and stable location sharing. Next, power on the car's GPS or external GPS receiver and put it into pairing mode so devices can see each other. Once done, open Waze and grant location and Bluetooth permissions. These allow Waze to receive precise satellite data instead of relying on Wi-Fi. Make sure to stop other Bluetooth connections so the phone pairs only with the intended GPS device. You now tell Waze which GPS to use. In Waze settings, navigate to navigation or advanced settings and locate the external GPS or device GPS option. Select the paired GPS device that appears. Pick the one showing highest accuracy. If using a standalone receiver, configure NME input or the correct baud rate so Waze reads raw satellite data. Once selected, allow Waze to use that location source. This forces Waze to prioritize the external GPS over the phone's internal sensors. Finish by checking Waze accuracy indicator and confirming a solid GPS lock. The icon should show high precision. You should run a short route to verify turn prompts align with the external device position and that routing feels stable. If the external GPS isn't used, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart Waze, and repair the device. This often clears priority conflicts. If problems persist, remove the pairing and re-add the GPS, so Waze reinitializes the NME stream and regains consistent satellite fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.